Welcome back. In this short clip, I'll show the quick steps for adding smooth transitions and for adjusting framing and scale so your shots look clean and professional. To add a transition, click the Transitions tab at the top. Hover over any option to see a quick preview, then drag the one you like and drop it between two clips on the timeline. Expand to increase duration. Hit the spacebar to play and check how it feels. If you select the transition, it will open the control in the top right and tweak the duration, usually mine to about a second for a smooth cut. For framing and scaling, first select the clip you want to adjust. Use the scale slider to zoom in or out. And the position sliders to nudge your subject left, right, up, or down. If you prefer to work directly, click and drag the image inside the preview player until it sits where you want. The blue rulers will help you line things up so everything looks balanced. Need to rotate a shot? Use the rotation wheel in the same panel to spin the clip until it matches your composition. And if you ever make a change you don't like, press Shiraz to undo it and go back one step. That's it for transitions and framing. Try a few moves, see what looks best for your edit, and keep the changes small so the final video feels natural. If this helped, stick around for more editing tips.